Hey everyone, in this video we will learn what is programming with a very simple explanation. So for that, consider an example. You have some fruits, oranges and mangoes, and you want to separate them. You want all the oranges on the right and all the mangoes on the left. So for that, you have assigned this task to your little brother and give him two instructions. That is, put all the oranges on the right and mangoes on the left. And by doing so, he completed his task. He put all the oranges on the right and all the mangoes on the left. Similarly, if you want to execute any task using computers, you have to assign them some instructions, by following which they can easily able to execute any task. Like here, I have one more example for you. You can see a computer standing on the screen. I have a task for this computer. I want this computer to work, and for that I have given it three instructions. And how I did it? I copied the human walking style, where we took our first foot forward, then another one, and keep doing that to continue walking. So here we have first one, left foot forward, then right foot forward, and then go to first instruction. Now if the computer follow these instructions, then let's see what will happen. So here we have the computer walking. So what it's doing, it's taking it left foot forward, then the right one, and then doing this again and again. Now our task is done by following these instructions. So here, the set of these instructions by following which you can execute any task is known as a program. And the process of creating a set of instructions that tell a computer how to perform a task is known as programming. So I hope you got it. What is actually programming? So it was just a basic idea. We will learn about it more and more in the later videos. But for now, I have one more example for you, where I will show you up to what limit the computers will listen to you. So computers are really innocent. They know nothing. They will do whatever you will ask them to do. So here, I have the same computer and let's call it Bunny. So what we are going to do here, what I am going to do here, I will make this computer jump off the cliff. You are not a part of it right now. So for that, I have given him four instructions. First one is turn and face the cliff, because it's facing the opposite direction to the cliff. Then walk towards the cliff. After that, stop at the edge of cliff and then make a jump. So let's see what will happen if we provide these instructions to our bunny. So there we go. So first one, turn and face the cliff, walk towards the cliff. So it's safe for now. Then stop at the edge of cliff and then make a jump. So there we go. Bunny is no more. So this example is just to show you that computers can do anything. They will do whatever you will ask them to do. You just need a proper set of instructions. So this is the programming. Now after that, types of programming, or what is the main thing that classifies programming. So as you have seen, programming is about giving instructions to the computer. We just need to convey our message. And as you know, there can be multiple ways to convey it. Just like we have different languages like English, French, etc. to communicate with each other. Similarly, we have different programming languages like C, C++, Python, etc. to communicate with the computers. So, programming generally consists of two main things, syntax and logic. Now here, syntax is how we are conveying the messages. Like in our example, we have written left foot forward, right foot forward, go to instruction 1. There I have used English. But in general, English is not used as a programming language. We have different type of syntaxes for that. And here, based on the type of syntaxes used, we have different types of programming languages. Let me show you some examples. Like here, I have to write a hello. So this is how it will look like in different languages. First one we have English. There we will just write hello. But in Python, it will be written as print, brackets, quotes, then hello. And in C, it's printf followed by the brackets, quotes, then the hello. And in last, we have these statement terminators that you can see in the point third. Then in fourth, we have Java. There we will write system.out dot print ln, then brackets, quotes, hello, and then statement terminators. And in C++, it's cout less than, the quotes, hello, and the statement terminators. And for our Arduino, it will be something like serial.println, brackets, quotes, and hello. So these are different kinds of syntaxes in different programming languages. We will also learn about this a little more in the next videos, but this is enough for you right now. So I hope you got a little idea about it. And then we have the logics. So logic is how actually you made the computer work, and it's the main thing, because you can learn different languages in just a week or two. But how you actually are solving the problems is the main thing. Like, what if I have written right foot forward, left foot forward, and go to instruction 1 instead of beginning with the left foot forward? So, what do you think? Will it work? Of course it will be. Because in that case, instead of the left, we have just taken the right first. But the logic is nearly same. Like, first take one foot forward, then the another one. It doesn't matter which is first. So logics behind syntaxes remain same. However, there can be multiple logics to perform any task. As you have seen here, take right first or left first. You have just to walk. But what if I have done something like this? Left foot forward, then left foot forward, then go to instruction 1. So what do you think? Will this will work? Nope, it will not. The computer will fall on the ground because we have made the left foot forward again and again. So logic must be the proper solution for the given task. Only in that case we can execute any task. So I hope you got what is programming and how we classify the programmings. And also I have shown you some different types of programming languages. And as I have told you, we will learn more about these in the later videos where we will actually write the code. So this is all about it. So thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.